Welcome to the RVU OMM Mechanisms of Action series. This edition will look at the proposed mechanism of action of myofascial release technique. Myofascial release technique can be provided as a direct or indirect technique. So how does it work? There are two proposed mechanisms for myofascial release technique. The first mechanism utilizes fascia's unique plasticity, elasticity, and hysteresis properties. Fascia is capable of changes in length. Specifically, it has the attributes of plasticity and elasticity. These changes in length are associated with changes in energy content, formerly known as hysteresis. The changes in energy content may include a release of energy in the form of heat, electromagnetic, or piezoelectric changes. Somatic dysfunction can include fascial distortion, which is associated with decreased plasticity and elasticity, as well as negative changes in energy content. Externally applied manipulative forces allow for connective tissue plastic and elastic changes referred to as creep, which are associated with hysteresis. In this way, tensegrity principles coupled with fascial piezoelectric properties influence the anatomical and physiological responses of tissues to myofascial release technique forces, subsequently resolving somatic dysfunction. The second mechanism involves neuroreflexive alterations and neurofacilitation. Somatic dysfunction can result in alterations in muscle tone and facilitation of spinal neural levels. Myofascial release technique influences peripheral neuroreflexive pathways, including mechanoreceptors like annulospiral and flower spray endings, to normalize muscle tone and resolve neurofacilitation. All right. So now you know how myofascial release technique works. And remember, as A.T. Still says, an osteopath reasons from his or her knowledge of anatomy and physiology. This has been an episode of the RVU OMM Mechanisms of Action series.